everyone, I'm Roshni Dhar. Welcome to Medical Dialogues, daily dose of health and medical news. Let's look at today's top health news. NPPA accused of colluding with pharma firms to sell drugs with same MRP at different prices denies claims. Mohali Medical College bags NMC approval to fill up 100 MBBS seats from this year. Fake NMC notice instructs foreign medicos to get eligibility certificate. Prime Minister Modi lays foundation stone of 4 Rajasthan medical colleges. Health Ministry released document on governance reforms in medical education. All does not seem to be well with the Apex Pharma price regulator recently as it faced several allegations from Jammu Pharmaceutical Distributors Association of colluding with pharma firms to sell drugs with same MRP at different prices. The association accused pharmaceutical manufacturing companies of engaging in shocking malpractices by selling most drugs at different cost to different sectors despite having the same MRP. The association alleged it was happening with the active connivance of the NPPA. NPPA strongly condemns such false statements regarding its connivance in any of the malpractices adopted by the pharmaceutical companies. The NPPA further added, charging different prices below the applicable ceiling MRP to different sectors by pharmaceutical companies is not under the purview of the NPPA. It is done purely on commercial terms by the companies which are not under the ambit of regulatory framework of NPPA. Medical education in Punjab is soon to achieve a major milestone as the MARB operative under the NMC recently issued the letter of intent to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Institute of Medical Science to add another 100 seats after NMC approval for Mohali Medical College. Among the 10 medical colleges that Punjab has, 6 medical colleges are private ones. The project worth Rs 300 crore was approved during the Akali Dal regime in 2012 under the Central State Partnership with funding in the ratio of 60-40. Regarding the matter, Dr. Bhavneet Bharti, Director Principal of the Medical College, said, "We have received the letter of intent and we will giving an undertaking to the NMC. Our admission process will begin this academic year, probably in October after the result of the NEET test that was held on September 12. Issuing an alert on the fake notification that being doing rounds all across social media in the name of the NMC, asking students pursuing their medical education from foreign institutes to get eligibility certificates from the NMC. The notice claims that Indian citizens who commence studying in foreign medical institutions on or after 1st January 2019 needs to register for eligibility certificate under the Indian Medical Council Act 1956 at the NMC within the date 31st December 2021. In fact, the fake notice also warned that any applications made after the deadline would be aborted. The official website of NMC clearly mentions that the Board of Governors in the supersession of Medical Council of India constituted under Section 3A of the Indian Medical Council Act 1956 stands dissolved thereafter. There is no such notification on NMC website setting a deadline for students who are pursuing medical education abroad has been posted. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on September 30th virtually laid the foundation stone of 4 new medical colleges in Rajasthan. He also inaugurated the Institute of Petrochemicals Technology located in Sitapura, Jaipur. The medical colleges are based in Banswara, Sirohi, Hanumangarh and Dausa. He informed that after 2014, 23 medical colleges have been approved by the central government for Rajasthan and 7 new medical colleges have already become operational. Addressing the gathering, the Prime Minister said the biggest pandemic of 100 years has taught a lesson to the health sector of the world. And it is important that medical colleges or even super specialty hospitals should spread their network rapidly to every corner of the country. He also said that we have worked on a national approach and national health policy to transform country health sector in the last 6-7 years. More than 170 new medical colleges have been set up and rapid work is going on more than 100 new medical colleges. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, operative under the Government of India, has recently released a document on the governance reforms in medical education. The document highlights various reforms and efforts taken up by the government from 2014 to 2020. Major reforms that the document talks about include the coming up of NMC, common entrance test for undergraduate and postgraduate medical education, NEET and next exam, common counseling for MD and MS course, upscale the number of postgraduate medical seats, availability of doctors and specialists, access in rural areas, making medical education affordable. For more information about the document, check the link below in the description box. That's all from the Health World today. Thank you.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.